Let's welcome you to my kitchen where we're going to go Russian and Eastern European style with the combination of the toasted buckwheat groats and beef to create a rich, savory one-pot dish where the grains simmer directly in the juices of the meat and they call it Grechka. Grechka Myasom, which is buckwheat with beef. Let's create. So because I'm doing beef, I have a pound here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in cubes, okay? In cubes. So I have a pot. Going to put some vegetable oil. It's about maybe a tablespoon or so. And I'm going to preheat it, okay? So let me start with the meat. The Myasom. The Myasom. Once again, I have a pound cut in chunks. Going to add a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Mix everything up. Medium heat. And actually I have half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon is sufficient of each, depending on the amount of meat you have. And you're going to cook this for about 15 minutes, okay? About 15 minutes later, I'm going to remove them. Now I'm going to add the yellow onion chopped. And I'm going to caramelize this thing for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. About 5 minutes later, look at this beauty. I'm going to reduce the heat to low. And I'm going to add about a cup and a half of shredded carrots. And in addition to that, I'm going to add some garlic. It's about 4-5 teeth. You can use less. I love garlic. Mix it up. Then about a teaspoon or two of oil. Good vegetable. And at low heat, I'm going to cook this baby for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I'm going to add the meat. Going to mix everything together. Everything together is going to be mixed. Oh my goodness. So I had the buckwheat or the Grechka. It's already washed. I wash it. And this is about a cup, maybe a cup and 1/4. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it here. Going to put this baby here. Let me tell you something about buckwheat or Grechka. That stuff originated in the Himalayas and was brought to Eastern Europe and Russia in the 7th century. And the good thing about Grechka or buckwheat is the incredible resilient to harsh weather. So it's becoming the king of wheats in that side of the world. So I added this. Let me add some salt, some water, couple cups. Yeah. I'm going to add about three and a half tablespoon of unsalted butter. Get the 82 to 85%. This one is from Finland. I found in the same store that I found the Grechka or the Buckwheat. Is an Eastern European store. But if you don't have, you can find it Irish. Just make sure it's 82 to 85%. And that is unsalted. Now I'm going to increase the heat because I'm going to put this into a boil, okay? You want it to go into a boil first. So I brought it into a boil. I'm going to cover it, reduce the heat to low, and I'm going to cook this for 25 minutes, okay? Here we have it. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this. Oh, yes. Nice.